Hey guys, we are back with episode 2 of WTF Season 2. Woo! I feel like we need to do this now. If you haven't watched the first episode yet, go watch it before you watch this one so you know who wins.
And if you haven't even watched the first series,
yes,
go watch that as well.
Check that out as well. But for those of you that have watched it, you will know that I won.
Yeah, I still have the trophy because I was the...
I'm going to play it
until
cool
the end of this.
Because I think that was a bit of a fluke that I won.
I don't think it was a fluke.
No.
No.
Well,
I think you did
Alex.
a good job.
Right, should we crack in?
Yeah, let's crack
into it. Do you want to go for it this week?
Yeah, here we go. What the fudge is in this box?
Ooh, we haven't said that for a while.
Yeah, no.
Oh, there's a peg in there.
I can see a clothes peg in there, a really rusty one. So, hello Kate and Alex. Wow, what a great first episode. Well done, Kate. You won by a country mile.
Hey!
Get it? See what we did there?
This week will promise to be a very interesting episode as you'll be using only one of your senses to guess an item of food.
That's right, you will be doing your very best Little Mix impression by using your touch to figure out what item of food is inside this box. Just the touch of my love is enough to make me love your whole body.
Yeah, we need some lyrics. You'll be given 3 different items each and you'll have 15 seconds to guess what it is. 15 seconds!
Each correct answer will result in a point earned.
If you both have the same amount of points at the end of this challenge, there'll be a playoff where you will both have a box with the same item and the first person to guess correctly will win.
Good luck, guys. The WTF team.
Ooh, that's a good idea,
yeah, so I'll
isn't
put
it?
this on my nose now.
Is it really tight and...
Yeah.
I'm
so
excited.
who goes first?
Should we do rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah. 1,
Rock,
2,
paper,
3.
scissors.
You just know. Do I always do the same thing? Is that
No,
right?
I literally was going to go scissors.
Oh, really? So you go first.
so
or you can decide. Do you want me to go first?
I want you to go first.
Okay.
This is a really good box. I've always seen it on like TV programs.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Beans? Baked beans?
Ah, yes.
I recognise that texture anywhere, even...
And the smell.
Even... I can't smell it.
Oh, hold on, you've not got your peg on. You've not got your peg on.
Oh, we actually meant to have the peg on.
Just the touch of your love. That's why we're singing
Oh,
Little
I
Mix.
thought it was just... I didn't think we'd be able to smell it. Has anyone got a tissue?
Oh yeah, look at your hand. Ew. So you get that. Well done, Alex.
It was
Those
like
little bits.
mushy.
Yeah.
Mushy. I was like,
Did
yeah,
you
beans.
squeeze some?
Yeah, I squeezed some.
I'm excited, but I'm a bit nervous. Oh my word, how on earth did your nose fit in that?
Yeah, it doesn't really.
Is my nose bigger, much bigger than yours?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Ow.
I was thinking, is it a disadvantage if I'm doing it with my left hand? Can my left hand feel as good as my right hand? 3.
Is it a plate or a bowl or?
It's a bowl. It's the same height as my one.
Okay, can I touch the bowl?
Yeah, to see the height.
Okay,
there.
thank you.
Right, hand out. Ready? 3, 2, 1, in.
Yogurt. Custard.
Yes.
Hey, I'm gonna lick my
Well
fingers.
You food pervert. That was 4 seconds you did that in.
Oh my word! I think you did it in 3.
Oh, really?
I didn't actually look. Although the curtains have now got beans and custard on
them. Custard. You got the custard on them.
Oh, yeah, I hate when I say custard.
Custard. So that's 1 point each. Because I think it'll probably be a thing where if you just don't know what it is, you don't know what it is.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I know what this is.
I know.
Artichoke.
Yes!
Is it?
I didn't think you were gonna get it!
Is that what it's called?
The proper name though, would you know what the first bit of the
Like
name?
a Jerusalem artichoke.
It's a globe artichoke.
No, I don't-
I suppose
I don't
because
know
it looks like a globe
Yeah.
thing.
Because
thing
I
is-
could feel that texture.
When I saw it, I was like, I know what it is. I know you know what it is.
surprised you
It's
know
just
what it
whether
is.
or not you. Yes, I know what it is.
Isn't that what you didn't know what it was with?
No, that was it wasn't artichoke.
Oh,
It was
really?
something like that though.
That'd be
fennel.
cool. We'll have to eat that now.
But that's really cool. But I would not have guessed that
It
if I
really
was
threw
feeling
me.
that.
It
It's
really
quite
threw me
prickly at
straight
the top,
away.
Isn't it? See, that's your
I was
point.
like, because I really had to have my hand around it to like try and understand what it was.
There you go. Oh,
2-1.
Getting close.
Got to
Can I
stay in
have
the game.
The,
Oh yeah, I forgot to go on. Got to get your head in the game, as they say on
get your
High
head in the
school.
game. Okay.
Peg it. Peggy. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, ginger.
Yeah.
Ginger!
That was about 3 seconds. Ginga.
I knew that. It's because ginger is never the same shape.
Yeah.
Oh, it almost looks like a lobster.
That texture. It looks like a slingshot.
A slingshot. What the word
Right,
was.
you get that, you Ginga.
I get that. And do you remember last time I held the ginger in this series, in series 1?
You ate it.
I had to eat it.
Yeah.
You do have a little diddy nose, actually.
Did you know?
Yeah, because
it's
you
quite,
can put
like,
that
small
in
at the end.
one. Like, I have to go.
It's quite small at the end. So what is it? A thing?
I think.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's a courgette, David.
It is! I thought you were going to say cucumber first.
No, I know what the skin of a courgette feels like.
Oh, really? Is that why you... Oh, yeah, that is not a cucumber at all.
No, not a
well
cucumber
done,
at all.
Alex.
Yeah.
Oh, this is getting really close now. I have to get this.
Yeah, I'm excited to make something for dinner out of it.
Yeah, out of your selection.
Yeah.
Round 3 for me.
Go on, you Ginga.
Oh, is this one really hard? But I was just about to say, at the end of the day,
Yeah.
you know, it's still fun,
Yeah.
even if we don't want to.
Well, because as I was saying, even
got
if
my
it goes to the final thing,
Swipe up.
it'll be fun because
Who
it'll
can
be
get
like
it
who can get
quicker.
it quickest because we've both been
But
pretty
by
quick.
your laugh, I don't know if I'm going to get this right.
Well, I'm just looking at it. I'm not sure I know what it is.
Oh,
Right, ready?
dear.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. Is that mayonnaise? Ketchup. Oh my word, what is that? It's
I've got the vlog camera. Keep going.
HP sauce.
You've got 4 seconds.
Oh, I don't know. Chocolate. Melted
No.
chocolate. Chocolate frosting.
No, it's over.
Oh,
What the?
honey. Oh my word. I put your hand in. You would not know what that is.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I wasn't sure from looking at it whether it was honey, maple syrup,
Or golden syrup.
golden syrup.
Ah! I just was not picturing honey.
No.
I can smell it.
Yeah,
And
it's
I
a good
know
job you
that's
had that
honey
peg on your
straight
nose.
away. I was about to say, do I need the peg on it? Oh! I
'Cause
wanted to do
it's
the
so
last
pungent,
round.
isn't it? So when it comes to feeling stuff, actually, you're not hampered if
No.
you're right-handed and you're using your left hand.
The thing is, when it comes to shapes of objects, sometimes it's more clear, sometimes it's harder. I really am actually surprised I got that was custard because like with the honey, when it's that sort of
Yeah.
consistency, there could be so many different options.
But
So I
that
am actually surprised I
consistency
had
is
that.
very, like, I didn't expect you to say mayonnaise because I don't think mayonnaise
No,
would feel like
it
that.
took me a little
Yeah.
while to then realise.
It's like falloopia, isn't it?
Yeah, but I didn't quite. I should have really lifted it
Yeah.
up. I was too much fingers in just
You
doing
should have
that.
had a lick of the oven.
Oh my god, no. What a shame, but well done, Alex.
Cheers, thank you, well done, Kate.
Back to 1-1.
1-1. It's good because last time I got a few points quite early on.
Yeah.
So it was
But
like
at least
me
now
running
it's
away with
back
it. It's
to-
quite even. Yeah.
And in some ways, it makes it more intense when it's like that.
Yeah.
So I'm really enjoying that. Did
Playing
you
for
enjoy
every
that
point.
though?
Yeah, because after the end of last series where it got really close and you were catching me up, I want to be able to get a little bit of a lead again
Yeah.
because otherwise I feel too
Well,
nervous.
I'm going to try my best to not let you get too
Yeah.
far ahead because that was really stressful
Yeah.
for me. Like every single game I had to be on it. But this is such an awesome idea,
Yeah.
isn't it? I love.
It's
we
like a
have
little
to keep
puppet
this.
theatre, yeah.
You guys should make one at home. This
Yeah.
is so fun. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I really enjoyed that, did you?
I really enjoyed it. I love the whole concept and idea of this game. I hope you guys enjoyed it too, and we'll see you soon.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.